I was just going to start assembling the power valves, getting ready for top end assembly, but it's not going to be so, at least not yet. These cylinders are not chamfered at all. They're very sharp edged in there. Brian said he would fix them, but it's quite a drive for me to do that. So I'm going to give it a go myself, starting with these 120 drums. If that doesn't work, I may have to very lightly cut with that. We'll see. This seems to be working. I'm not able to get all the way in the corner though because of the radius on that drum. So I'm going to have to go to that pointy cutting tool to get all the way into the corners. I think I'm getting it. I hope so. Is it enough? Is it too much? I don't know. Here's a before on cylinder number 2. Another before. This is probably about the time this thing will jump and scrape along the inside of the cylinder wall here because I have the camera on. Feels pretty good to me. I think I'm done with the second cylinder, but I'm going to go over all of this stuff with this 400 grit drum, just to make sure there's no burrs left from that cutting tool. Okay, need to wash them up again, oil them, and perhaps I can try this again tomorrow. Here's some bonus footage. I kept walking by this crusty old rear sprocket. Yesterday I took a copper Brillo pad with some soap and water and cleaned it up and then took it to the buffer. Came out pretty good. I don't know how long it'll last.